Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove frame from profile picture on Facebook. Firstly guys, you need to go on your profile section by typing on your profile picture on your left upper side. Now when you're on your profile section, you need just to tap on the picture, and then as you can see you have add frame, but if you go on view profile picture, the third selection, as you can see we already have a frame. What we need to do, just simply go on the three dots on the upper side, then we need to go for delete photo, get delete again. Now when we take a refresh, as you can see the frame has been removed, but also the profile picture has been removed. What we need to do, just get back again, select profile picture, and then you need to find the picture that is correlated to the first one. And now we need to wait for uploading. And now guys, with this you know how to remove frame from profile picture on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.